Welcome to the Perfect Russian Blini step-by-step guide. Today I show you how easy yet delicious it is to make Russian blini. For all of that, I will need 4 eggs, 1 liter of milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have here canola oil and 500 grams flour. So let's get to that. Start by cracking 4 eggs into a large mixing bowl and then whisk them. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 liter of milk. Whisk everything good. Add slowly 500 grams of flour and then mix everything together until you have a smooth, lump-free, preferably, batter. It should look something like that. I'm trying to show you how thick the batter should be. And I almost forgot to add a little bit of oil. Now the fun part. Preheat the frying pan, put a little bit of oil on there, and pour batter in it. Just enough to cover the bottom of the frying pan. And don't put it too much batter because blini will be too thick. And we don't want that. Make sure to cook it over medium heat. You don't have much time to get bored when making blini. It only takes about 20 to 30 seconds before you're ready to flip the blin, which means pancake in the singular form. And after you flip, the other side of the blin will be ready in just 10-15 seconds, so be quick. And now you just repeat the process over and over, mastering your technique and turning into a professional blini maker. And from this point on, I'll show everything in fast forward mode until I make them all. I'm adding a little bit of oil into the frying pan after every blin, so that it will be easier to flip the blini over without breaking them. And that's how a perfect Russian blin should look like. Thin and soft. And that's the back side of it. I'll save you the time of watching me make each blin, you get the idea. And finally, that's the last one, and we are all done. I didn't count them, but I think there are between 20 and 30 blini. Very simple. Just fold it in 4, 5, and what is your choice? Honey, Nutella, jam. You can always dip them, but with Nutella, that's the way I would do. So actually, that's the first time I've seen pancakes eating with Nutella when we were in Italy years and years ago. Or before that, it would be only honey, like in Soviet Union, jam, and some people will mix jam with the sour cream and then dip in that kind of thing. I love them. And eat with some honey. I honestly even don't know what is my favorite. I really love with Nutella. I really love with honey. And I love with jam as well. Go wild, go with the peanut butter. As a breakfast, I would say. But if you want to have a snack, just put some sort of meat inside. Whenever they're done, I will just cover them with a lid so that they will be soft like that. So it's very easy to make any sort of wrap. As I said, I could do it ground beef or ground pork, fried it on the frying pan, put it inside and put it something like that. Thank you for watching and really try those. It's not that hard, really delicious and simple too. Thank you for watching.